What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, wherever you are, and I hope you're waking up very healthy, and I hope you're just doing well. So welcome to today's video. And actually today's video is just a simple video. I'm preparing my son Weetabix. Yeah, it has been a while when he stopped eating Weetabix. So today's video is all about how to prepare Weetabix. In case you don't know, so stay tuned. It's just a short video. Yeah. He's actually here. He's awake. Yes. He's awake. I don't. Yeah. So stay tuned. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Share the video, like and comment. I do appreciate your support here. So let me show you how to prepare Weetabix. Just very easy. When you're preparing Weetabix, I have a saucepan here for warming the milk. Yes. So all you need is a saucepan for warming milk. Yeah, my saucepan is there, and then all you need is milk. Yeah, and then the Weetabix. Yeah, and then a plate, any kind of a plate you have, it can work. A plate and a spoon. Yeah, and sugar. This is sugar. So that is all. Yeah, sugar, milk, plate, spoon and a saucepan for warming milk. Remember, don't put cold milk in Weetabix. It won't taste well. You make sure you warm your milk. Don't overboil it, just warm it. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do right now. So our gas is on. You can see the milk is here, and then this one has only 2 pieces, so we are going to pick 1 piece. You can see this is how 1 piece looks like. So this actually is very satisfying. If you give this as breakfast for your kid, it's very yummy, very satisfying. Your baby will be satisfied, and it's very healthy. So in a day, in every morning, you can give this to the baby 1 piece. Yeah, if the baby cannot eat this in the morning, then you can give it at around 4. And then this piece you can give it in the afternoon around 4. Yeah, so the milk is okay. You can see, don't overboil it. Yeah, don't. Yummy for baby. My son is very angry, guys. So you can just I think I've even overboiled my milk. It's not supposed to be overboiled. And then little sugar. You actually have to put little sugar. You don't have to put much sugar because of the baby. Yeah. You have to put little sugar. You see that one? Yeah, that is okay. You know why they normally put sugar in Weetabix for babies? It is just to give babies. Okay, bye. Why they normally put sugar in babies' Weetabix is actually to give the baby a taste, so that the baby can enjoy it. Yeah, you mix it like that. You mix it. That is very nice, good mixture. Yeah, but if you try this with cold milk, it won't be like this. Yeah, it will be very hard for the baby, and the baby will not actually swallow it. And this for big people, you don't have to put sugar in it. Okay, some people are not good to eat this with sugar, but some people eat it with sugar. But because you're having it with thick milk, undiluted milk, as a big person, you're not supposed to put sugar in it. Yeah, just warm your milk, put it, and then maybe you can have your strawberries in it, and yeah, enjoy it. It's very nice and very tasty. Yeah, so that is the mixture, and my son is going to actually love it and just enjoy it. Yeah. So kindly subscribe if you haven't. That was just a simple step, very easy, just like that. Yeah. Yes. So kindly subscribe, share, like if you haven't, for more videos. Yeah, thank you so much. See you.